Hi there, всем привет! Welcome to my channel Allasyummyfood. I'm Alla and the host of this show. If you're seeing this trailer, that means you're not yet subscribed to my channel. I specialize in Russian and Latvian food and many desserts. From cakes to desserts to healthy food to naughty food to specifically dishes that my granny taught me, like piroshki or honey cake, which is very delicious and my favorite. On this channel you will see recipes varying from easy to harder levels, and there is something for each and one of you. I have over 500 recipes that you can choose from, and I created playlists for easy access. So I hope you look through, subscribe to my channel. You have to click the little button there to click subscribe and press to send you all the notifications. This way you'll receive one new video every single week. I hope to see you soon on my next video. Пока!